Welcome to this new video. Link to the previous video. As you know, we are designing a G+4 building, and in this design we already covered first two steps: sharps load schedule and then flat load schedule. And today I am going to teach you how can we make a single line diagram of SMDB for sharps. Then definitely we will make a SMDB for flat, and then next. So in load schedule we calculated the sharp load schedule 8.1 kilowatt. If you didn't watch my previous videos, you will not understand what is the story. So to understand this video or this lecture, you must have to watch my previous video that I started a series of videos covering the all design. So all sharps are typical. It means that all sharps are same, and load of each sharp is 8.1 kilowatt. Here you can show this is the dB of sharp 1 showing its load, and here I mentioned that this dB is for sharp 1. Its load is 8.1 kilowatt. It means that ampere rating will be 14.094, and I already told you that if ampere rating will be less than 40 ampere, then we will use a MCCB of 40 ampere. 40 ampere TP MCCB, its K rating will be 25. Remember, in every SMDB, K rating of all outgoing will be 25K. So this MCCB is lockable. Reason is that because there is a meter for this sharp, and if your load is more than 7 kilowatt, you will use 3-phase meter. It will be 3-phase meter. So from SMDB, cable will go inside the meter, and then it will go to DB sharp. Similarly for sharp 2, one thing, there is a mistake here. I write single phase meter, but there will be a 3-phase meter because load is more than 7 kilowatt. If load is less than 7 kilowatt, you can use single phase meter, and if your load will be more than 54 kilowatt, then you will use city meter. From 7 kilowatt to 54 kilowatt, there will be single phase meter, 3-phase meter. So load is 8.1 kilowatt, and for this load there is a MCCB of 40 ampere. What will be the cable size? Cable size will be 4 core 16 mm. Why I am writing here 4 core 16 mm? The reason I already told you in table, mentioning all cable rating with respect to MCCB. So cable for all sharps will be same. So I will write here, because their load is same, their main breaker is same, that's why their cable will be same. Cable size is 4 core 16 mm square PVC CU, and here are 3-phase meter. You have to show SMDB single line diagram just like that. So this is a bus bar and connected with all these breakers, MCCBs. So load of one sharp is 8.1 kilowatt, and load for 7 sharps will be 56.7 kilowatt. It means that load for this SMDB will be 56.7 kilowatt, and for 56.7 kilowatt load, first I will calculate ampere rating, and hope so you can calculate this rating, because I already told you how we can calculate ampere rating from kilowatt rating. And after calculating ampere rating, I will write here 125 ampere TP MCCB. So main MCCB for this SMDB will be 125 ampere. Why I write here 125 ampere? With respect to load. On this load, ampere rating will be 98.658. I can use here 100 ampere, but it's my choice, so I choose 125 ampere for this SMDB. If someone write here 100 ampere, it will not be wrong. So this is the SMDB for shop. As there are 7 shops in the ground floor, so for you already design a DB for the shop, and now we design a SMDB for the shop. There will be a SMDB like that, and from this SMDB we will take 7 outgoings for 7 shops. I think everything is clear here. There will be a separate bar inside the SMDB called earth bar, and here there will be indicator red, yellow, blue. Bus bar size will be 125 because its main incomer is 125, so bus bar rating will be same. This is the SMDB for the shop. It's very easy and very simple. I think you can understand. On same way, we will design a SMDB for the flat. Hope so you understand all steps. If there is any confusion, comments below. I will try to solve it. Thank you for watching this video.